Most beginners think they need advanced settings to customize forms, but the real trick is much simpler and most people overlook it. Hi, I'm Zaf, and in this beginner-friendly tutorial I'll show you how most beginners miss this System.io form trick, and if you stick around till the end, I've got a free resource that'll help you build better performing pages inside System.io. Now let's get started. From the dashboard, go to Sites at the top, and then go down to Sales Funnels. And then what you want to do here is open the page where your form is and then click the edit page. So from here I'm going to select this test opt-in page here I've created, or test opt-in page funnel should I say. I'll just make sure the opt-in page is selected there, and from the right hand side here click on the blue edit page option there, bring us into the page editor. Now here's what beginners usually miss. Every extra field isn't a new form, it's just another form input element. So instead of searching through settings, you simply drag another form onto your page. So if I just scroll down, you can see I've got a form element here, or form field. So from the left hand side, just scroll down and then select the form input option there, and then just drag this over. So I'm going to put this just above the email form field I've got there, just let it go there. Now to bring up the settings for the form field, we need to click on it, and then you'll see on the left hand side there under import type you can select a type. This decides what info gets collected, name, phone number or text input. So if you click on the drop down, you can see there a few different options you can select for your form field. So example, first name, and you can click the first name there. You'll see if you scroll down some options there to actually edit our form field here, form input field. So the colour, background colour, width, and border. If you want to create a border, that one on this one here, and padding, margins, etc. there. So it's just a case of testing and trying different options there to make it look how you want it. Now if you want to go one step further, you can create what's called custom fields. To do this, we go to contacts and create the field first, then come back and select it from the input type list. Before we do that, we'll click on this save option here, and that will save this field here. And then what we want to do there is, if I scroll up and click on the exit option there to exit out of that, then we need to go back into CRM and then click on contacts and then select our contact we want to add this field, custom field to. You can do this for anyone, and once you've done it for the one, this field then will become available for all contacts. Now if you scroll down, you'll see an option to add custom field. So if you click on that, now say if you want to get some information regarding what niche the person is in, so we could just put niche here and then click and save, and then you'll see there's an option there for the niche there. And then what we need to do is go back to sites at the top here, and then sales funnels, and back to our test funnel created here. Make sure that's selected and click on the edit page option again. Now if we scroll down to the form input we added earlier, or the input field, if you click on it, you'll see now if you click on the drop down list from there, we can change that now, and we can put niche, and we can actually move it as well to put it, if we wanted to put it under the email option there. Now another thing we can do is, instead of dragging the form input from the left here, if we've already got a form, we can actually just duplicate it which will keep all the formatting. So for this one, if you hover over it, you'll see an option there, and that option will duplicate this and then make it exactly the same as what the one we've already got. And then we can just then change that to the form input we want. So for example, you could put the first name if you want to collect the first name, and then if I duplicate that, click on the middle one and change that to niche, so then we can collect the person's first name, what niche they're in, and the email address, and then just click on save. As one quick reminder here, so the more fields doesn't actually always mean it's better results. Simpler forms usually convert more, especially when you're starting out. So normally I'll just collect the email address. I won't bother with the first name. So you can see on this one we've got multiple inputs, which I've saved it, and we'll test it, and then just make sure we've saved everything and exit out of here. And then what I'll do is copy the link here to the checklist on my opt-in page and open up a new incognito window, and just test it here. So put my first name in, put niche, just put Wolf, and my email address. Click yes, I agree, and there we go, and then that's gone through. So next what we need to do now is then go back to our contact, our CRM, and contact, and back to our test contact here, what I just signed up for. You can see names appeared there now, and underneath it says Wolf, so we know that's actually worked there. And that's the System.io form trick most beginners miss. So if you want more simple System.io tutorials without the tech overwhelm, check out the video on the screen now. I'll see you there. Now, as promised, I've got a free resource for you, my System.io starter kit. Inside you'll get my 10-minute landing page blueprint and a ready to use landing page template that you can copy straight into your System.io account. You'll find the link right below this video. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.